So what's the secret to creating the life that you want? Well, it's all about the power of setting intentions. Before you start anything in life, the first question you should ask yourself is, what is my intention? Now, setting your intention allows you to do two core things. The first one is it allows you to focus your energy on what you desire most. And the second one, it allows you to influence the nature of your experience. Now, over the years, I've learned that I just prefer to use the word desire over expectation, because I've found that when I use the word expectation, it seems to bring up a different type of energy. It's almost like it's a fear-based concept or something. I expect something to be a certain way. And anyone who's ever done any looking into expectation, you will find that expectation is the mother of all unhappiness. So I just like to use the word desire when I'm setting my intentions, as in what do I actually desire most? And I find that when I use the word desire, the energy around that is expansive in nature. And basically, it's much closer to that vibration of love. So the thing also is, when you expect something to happen in your life, your energy tends to contract a little bit. And so a good rule of thumb is this: when you're thinking about an outcome you desire, make sure that the energy is light, that it's expansive, that it feels like lighthearted, fluffy, for want of a better phrase. Now, in the book, The Power of Intention by Dr. Wayne Dyer, he actually recommends using something called intention cards as a physical reminder of your intention setting throughout the day. Now, the process of creating an intention card has been used for anything from smoking cessation to weight loss to financial abundance and the like. The technique really is very, very simple, but please don't mistake its simplicity for a weakness. Now, the reason the process is so effective, because what it does is raise whatever is written on the intention card to be your highest value for the day. Now, values are actually stored in a hierarchy within our unconscious mind. And whatever is highest in your hierarchy of value, you tend to manifest effortlessly. If you've ever wondered why you do not have your dream home, but other people do, it's because they most likely value investing money and wealth creation more than you actually do. So here's how you actually create an intention card. Step number one is to find a thick piece of card or a piece of paper to write down your phrase on. Now, when you go into these stationery stores, they have these things called systems cards, and this is what we use. We call them intention cards around our office. So start with one of these, and on this card, on the actual front of the card, write down a brief phrase to summarize your intention. For example, open to new relationships, or opening a new relationship. On the back of the card, write down an action question, as in, how many ways can I continue to open even more relationships today? So let's just say that you worked in sales and you worked out that opening up new relationships is a way to build your business, build your sales funnel. And so you write down on one side, opening new relationships, on the other side, an intention question. How many ways can I continue to open even more relationships today? Now, basically, you just need these two items, a card and a pen, and you're off and racing. Now, the action question will keep you focused and allow your unconscious mind to come up with solutions all day long. In fact, if you ever wanted to have your mind become silent, my advice to you is ask yourself an almost impossible question to answer at the start of the day, and realize that all of your thoughts will become very quiet, because once given a task, your unconscious mind will become occupied with finding answers to it. Now, in order to actually formulate the perfect action question, you can use statements like this: how many ways, continue to, even more, with greater, and so on. So when you start to use these phrases inside your questions, it allows your questions to come to life. Again, for example, how many ways can I continue to experience even more joy today? Now, how do you actually use this intention card? Well, once you've actually written it down, fold the card in half with your intention on the inside and your question on the outside, and then place it in one of your pockets. Now, anytime you think about the card, simply pull it out, have a read through it on both sides, and put it back in your pocket. Now, the way I like to do this is this: if I touch the card, or I get changed, or I'm going out of the house, every time I grab it, I take a nice deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth, and then I just read both sides of the card, being very present to what's on the card. Then I actually close my eyes and I imagine what the card actually means to me, and I feel the feelings of being or doing the things that are written on this card. Now, my advice is keep this card in your pocket for up to 30 days, and you'll actually begin to experience the power of intention cards. And just remember, the secret of creating the life that you actually want is all about the power of setting intentions. Now, if you like this video, please comment down below, forward it with your friends, share it with your friends, and if you like it, please like it. And until we meet again, share your light, live your love, and do whatever it takes to be your own best friend. And start doing some intention cards. Bye for now.